Hi everyone. Today again we are meeting for MHT CET class, starting with applications of derivatives. So friends, how are your studies going on? CET classes, CET studies, all good? Keep on practicing. Okay? चालू करते हैं आज फिर without wasting any time. Okay, let's go straight ahead. Applications of derivatives 2019 का क्वेश्चन है. Find the approximate value of cos inverse 0.51 given that pi is equal to 3.1416 and 2 upon root 3 equal to this value. Okay. Applications of derivatives, I think we have finished with tangent. Tangent का एक खत्म हो गया है. There is the second application. Okay. Second application है क्या? To find the approximate values of certain functions. How to go about it? Let's see. Cos inverse 0.51 पूछा है. Cos नहीं, cos inverse. Okay. Now what are the key steps? You have to find out 4 important things. First, A and H. After that, F A, F dash A. Once you get these 4 things, you can find out any answer. I'm repeating. First A and H, then F A and F dash A. And then there is a certain formula which we will be using. Now, because the value asked is cos inverse 0.51, we consider fx equal to cos inverse x in general. Okay? Cos inverse पूछा है ना, तो cos inverse का function है, so we'll call it as fx. And if you call it as fx, you get cos inverse x. Let us suppose that fx is this. Derivative of fx, f dash x. D by dx of fx, f dash x equal to d by dx of cos inverse x. So f dash x equal to minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x squared. That is the standard formula for derivative of cos inverse x. Derivative of sin inverse x, 1 upon root of 1 minus x squared. Derivative of cos inverse x, minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x squared. Okay? Now, if the value, if the basic function was cos 62, suppose, cos inverse nahi hai suppose, then you take the function as cos x. Right? Okay. So this is the value of f dash x. This is the value of fx. Now, A means what? We have to select the number A according to our convenience. सबसे सिंपल नंबर जिसका आंसर आराम से मिल जाएगा. Now the clue is select the closest number to 0.51. 0.51 का near का number which is simpler, 0.5. That is called as A. A is taken as per our convenience, which is near to this number. Okay? So 0.5, call it as A, which we choose. As soon as we get A, H is given by original number minus A. Original number is 0.51 minus A is 0.50, that is 0.01. That is the value of H. So as I explained, we have got 2 things, A and H first. After getting A and H, we have to find FA and F dash A. अभी FA and F dash A के लिए first we require fx and f dash x. Then only we can go to FA and F dash A. पहले fx and f dash x की जरूरत है. Okay. So let's go straight ahead. First, I'm going to find out FA. So to find FA, we consider fx. बेसिक एफ एक्स क्या लिया है, कॉस इनवर्स एक्स. हाउ टू फाइंड एफ ए, जस्ट रिप्लेस एक्स बाय ए. यहां पे ए डाला, यहां पे भी ए किया. कॉस इनवर्स ए 0.5. यानी क्या, हाफ. Now cos inverse half we know. Cos of which angle is half? Cos 60 is half, right? So cos inverse half is 60 degrees. लेकिन friends remember, in applications of derivatives, angle is converted in terms of radians. That is pi by 3. We know 60 is pi by 3. Therefore, एफ ए इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3. अभी उन्होंने पाई की वैल्यू दी है 3.1416 divided by 3. Now once you carry out the division, we get 1.0472. You can check it out later on. Therefore fa ओके. सो इसको मार्क करते हैं अभी. Now fa is over. To find f dash m, 4 things I have told you. A and h. A is the nearest number according to our convenience. H is the difference, original number minus a. fa अभी देखा है. Now to find f dash a. Okay. So to find f dash a, naturally I have to consider f dash x. So f dash x की वैल्यू क्या है? -1 upon root of 1 minus x squared. Now this is, calculations are important here. एक बार f dash x लिखा, we want f dash a, substitute x by a. Here also I will get a, root of 1 minus a squared. But what is a? एक step बचा रहा हूं मैं. What is a? A is 0.5. Okay. So just put that value there. Replace x by a. यहां पे भी a आ जाएगा ऐसा. But a is what? 0.5. Now for calculation purpose, I will take 0.5 as 1 by 2. For calculation purpose, I will take 0.5 as 1 by 2. Let us calculate. One squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. 1 minus 1 by 4. Now 1 minus 1 by 4, if you actually do in the rough work, or do it orally also. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Now take the square root. Square root of 3 is root 3. Square root of 4 is 2. Take 2 in the numerator. Minus 1 into reciprocal of denominator. Denominator का reciprocal. So what do you get? F dash A is minus 2 upon root 3. And right here, now fraction लेने का use और एक अभी you will realize after taking the fraction, the answer is in fraction and we are given the value of 2 upon root 3. Usually root 3 upon 2 आता है 0.866, but here 2 upon root 3 is given and we are getting 2 upon root 3. So it's fine. So F dash A minus 1.1547. That is F dash A. इसको भी मार्क करेंगे. So finally we got these 4 things. F A, F dash A, H and A. H and A at the beginning. Now last step, we will write the approximation formula and then find the answer. Okay. So what is the approximation formula now? Okay, सब लोग लिख लो approximation formula. Formula says okay. Formula says f of A plus H approximately equal to, this is the symbol for approximately equal to F A plus H F dash A F means function cos inverse. अभी ये मत देखो A plus H no need to calculate. Calculate करने के बाद इतना ही आने वाले whatever is asked. So cos inverse 0.51 approximately equal to value of FA 1.0472. Value of H 0.01. Value of F dash A just have to calculate this now. So 1.0472 plus of minus is minus 0.01 means 1 upon 100. That means when you divide that by 100, the point will shift to the left by 2 places. यहाँ पे एक 0 आ जाएगा. That is you get 0.011547, because this number is greater than 5, 4 can be written as 5. Subtraction करो. Final answer is 1.03. That is the method to find FA, F dash A, H and A, and then get the answer. Okay. So next sum which I will take, we will calculate in a faster way. Okay. H, F, A अभी पहला basic था इसलिए, और cos inverse का था slightly important one. So let's straight away go to the second one now. लिख लो ये सब. We'll start with the second one. Okay, here we go to the second sum now. Approximations. Find the approximate value of this function. Root of x squared plus 3x at x equal to 1.02. Okay. Now in the earlier case, fx was directly given to us as cos inverse x. I mean cos inverse something, and we took fx as cos inverse x. But in this case, fx is given directly in terms of x. कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So the question asked is, what is the approximate value of this function when you put x equal to 1.02 here? अभी डायरेक्टली आप अगर सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे x इक्वल टू 1.02, तो 1.02 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस 3 इंटू 1.02 ऐड करने के बाद उसका स्क्वायर रूट लेने के बाद डिफिकल्ट. हाउ विल यू सॉल्व? So here comes the use of applications of derivatives. Okay. So कैसा करना है अभी? 4 important things ध्यान में रखो. What do we require? First of all, we require A, H, FA and F dash A. These 4 things are required. ओके. तो अभी एक काम करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट एफ डैश एक्स. बाद में सब ले लेंगे. ओके. सो एफ एक्स इक्वल टू डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एफ एक्स, एफ डैश एक्स. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट याद है. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स इज 1/2 रूट एक्स. सो 1/2 रूट एक्स स्क्वायर्ड प्लस 3x इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर्ड प्लस 3x. composite function, chain rule. So what do we get? d by dx of x squared 2x, d by dx of 3x 3 into 1. So क्या मिला? f dash x 2x plus 3 that is your f dash x. Now let us get the remaining things. Let us get the remaining things. I hope it is visible. ओके, ठीक है. So अभी 4 important things: A, H, F A, F dash A. Now A is the nearest number to 1.02. 1.02 decimal में मत लो, nearest number and simple number which we choose, let A equal to 1. A के बाद H. H का फॉर्मूला पहले सब में लिखा था, ओरिजिनल नंबर माइनस A. (1.02 minus 1). A मिल गया, H मिल गया. Now to find FA and F dash A. अभी FA और F dash A के लिए एग्जाम में क्या करोगे? शॉर्टकट्स, मतलब शॉर्टकट्स यानी फास्ट कैलकुलेशन. डायरेक्टली रफ वर्क में यू कैन जस्ट प्रिपेयर 2 कॉलम्स. यहाँ पे FA, यहाँ पे F dash A. ओके, सो FA के लिए पहले FX लिखो. Replace X by A. Now directly put A equal to 1. One plus 3 gives you 4. That is the value of FA. I'll mark with red. Square root is naturally plus minus, but in applications of derivatives, you take only the positive answer because positive options were given to you. Negative options are not given. So FA, and moreover it is square root. Okay. So let us take FA as 2 now. H मिल गया, A मिल गया. Now take this column, F dash A. For F dash A, write F dash X. Replace X by A, F dash A. अभी एग्जाम में you have to do such things orally. A is 1, huh? So shall we try over here? Huh? Try करेंगे, क्या आ रहा है देखो. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. X is A, right? And A is 1. So 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 upon x 1 squared plus 3 into 1. Try करो, ऐसा क्यों किया है? That is the only way that you can increase speed, where sometimes you don't have shortcuts. Put x equal to A. A is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, here again 1. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. That is 5 upon 2 into square root of 4. Square root of 4 is again 2. So F dash A is again 2 into 2, that is 4. Right? So these are your own shortcuts. So we got all 4 now. A, H, F A, F dash A. सब मिल गया अभी. Finally, formula for approximations. What is the question asked? Find the approximate value of that function. Okay. So basic function वो है, लेकिन formula पहले लिखो. So this function is root function. इसमें this is not important. Right hand side is important. At this value 1.02. What is our answer for FA? अभी FA is 2. What is the value of H? 0.02. What is the value of F dash A? 5/4. See if it is visible on your screen, because I have certain limits over here, not to go beyond a certain length. Okay, fine, you can see this. So let's calculate now. (0.02) into 5/4. Okay. Now you can say 5/4 is 1.25. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करो. 0.02 into 1.25 मल्टीप्लाई करो. So the final answer is, if you add this, that is the option given. Right? So today we have seen the second application, f of a plus h का formula याद रखो. That is to find the approximate value of certain functions. Now there are other functions also, like if you get find the approximate value. Supposing you are given sine of 31 degrees, if it is given like this. So here you have to take fx as sine x. Just discussing in brief before we stop. Derivative of fx, f dash x equal to cos x. Okay. Then number nearest to 31 is 30. Therefore, h equal to original number minus a. 31 minus 30, that is 1 degree. Now remember, after getting this, in problems of degrees, degree has to be, h has to be converted into radians. 0.0175. It is usually given 1 degree is equal to 0.0175. So multiply करने के बाद difference is always taken in terms of radians. Okay, so after that the usual step, a h are over, find f a and f dash a. F a is simple, f a is sine 30, that is half. F dash a is also simple, but the important thing is h should be in radians. वो भी practice करो, वैसे भी sums है, log के भी sums है, बहुत है, लेकिन we can't take everything, right? So practice करो. Okay. Tomorrow we'll take the third application, maxima, minima, Neto Rolle's theorem, one of them. Okay. Bye till then. See you.